Hello, and welcome to another video. This is Some of Everything. Thank you all for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. But with this video, we're going to be talking about Survey Junkie. And with Survey Junkie, it's one of those websites that it only pertains to surveys only. So you don't have to worry about watching a video. You don't have to worry about doing different offers and things like that. It is basically solely on surveys only. That is it. So that is pretty cool, so you don't have to really worry about other things. You can just focus on your surveys, get it done, and start earning. And let me just first say that when you do these type of surveys and things like that, this is not a get rich overnight type of thing. It's just something to give you some extra money in your pockets, a pocket filler. So just keep that in mind always. I'm just bringing to you all attention of different ways how you can earn money. And for people that may be teenagers and they're trying to find ways to make money, they can start doing surveys and things like that. And if you do decide and you want to do something as far as a survey with Survey Junkie, you can be 13 years old of age, and you also must be located in the US, Canada, or Australia. And also, if you want to make sure you're actually getting updated with the different surveys that you can take on a daily basis, make sure you use an email address that you use quite often. So if it's an email that you use all the time, make sure you use that, because they will be sending different surveys to that email address, and they will actually keep you updated. And as I go into the video, I will actually be showing you all about that as well. And also the reason why I said about the email address, because that would be the only way to allow you to be able to redeem also your rewards. So make sure you have an accurate email address. And however, you may not get rich overnight. Like I said, you still can earn, and you need 1,000 points to redeem, and that is equivalent to $10. And they do allow you to redeem with PayPal, bank transfer, or an e-gift card. So with that being said, let's go ahead and just sign in. So I can see what Survey Junkie is about. Like right now, you see I'm at 132 in points, so that's $1.32, and you're only able to redeem once you hit $10 minimum. So as you can see right here, they have surveys already available, and like it says here, 7 minutes, 20 points, that is 20 cents. Then you have 4 minutes, 50 points, that is 50 cents. And then you have 20 minutes, 90 points, that is 90 cents. 12 minutes, 55 points, that is 55 cents, and things like that. So they actually give you a good amount of surveys, But I do notice you get more surveys when you're actually online, as far as like your laptop or desktop. I do notice that, versus using a mobile device, but to get surveys. But that was just something that I actually noticed. So as you can see here, the different surveys, you have the health profile. So once you click on that, for example, it says, do you drink alcohol, beverages? You put no, whatever your choice is. I'm just showing you the breakdown, how it would happen once you do different points and stuff like that, and filling out surveys. Which of the following beverages have you consumed in the last 6 months? Select all that apply. I have not drunk alcohol. Save and continue. How many alcoholic beverages do you consume per week on average? I would say 0. What kind of beer do you drink? I don't drink beer. Okay, save and continue. How often do you drink beer? Less than often. Do you smoke? No. Are you on a specific diet, or have you been on a diet in the past 6 months? Which brands of cigarettes? Which health areas affect you? A member of your household or someone you provided for? No illness or conditions. Save and continue. Which allergies affect you? A member of your household, someone you provide care for? None of the above. Which food allergies? None of the above. Save and continue. Let's go down. Oops. And no illness. Finish. As you can see right there, I earned 10 points. That's 10 cents. So it doesn't really take long at all. Like, usually I do my tests and things like, I actually do my surveys like through my email, because I always get notifications and stuff like that, and I'll be showing you all about that right now. And a perfect example, I'll just use up to date March 5th, which was yesterday. And they sent me an email. We have a new survey for you, 10 points. That'll be 10 cents, and it just takes 1 minute to, do the survey. And let's go back in previous days. We have March 1st. Another 10 points. All it takes is 1 minute. So one thing about it, they always notify you when their survey is available. So I noticed that, and I do love that about Survey Junkie. Like, they always keep you up to date with what surveys are available, and they tell you to go ahead and get started so you can go ahead and earn that money for today and things like that. So I just wanted to give you all a little insight with Survey Junkie and what they have to offer. Like I said, it's just a website based with surveys only, so that's all you see right now is surveys only. That's pretty much it with this website. Like I said, it's easy to use. It's not difficult at all. It's very easy. It doesn't take much. It is free to join Survey Junkie. So hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you for at least stopping by, checking out my videos, and continue to do so. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me through my email, or you can actually send me a text message or things like that. The information will be in the description box. I just want to share this survey site with you all, and that'll be about it. You guys have a good one. Be safe. Have a blessed one.